Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will create the shock absorber piston rod. The front and the side view of the model with dimensions are shown on the right side of the screen. After creating all the features of the model, we will remove the sharp edges of the model by applying the fillet of radius 2.5 mm. Starting a new part document, double click on the screen, choose the part button, choose the extruded boss base button and choose the top plane as the sketching plane. Now we will create this part, for which go to the circle drop down and select the circle tool. Click on the origin and create one circle. Now select the smart dimension. Now we will dimension it and put the value 30 and enter and choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. The boss extrude property manager is displayed. From here, from the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind, and in the distance spinner, put the value 305 and enter and choose the OK button. Now zoom out. Next we will create this part. Click here and choose the sketch button. Go to the circle drop down and choose the circle tool. Click on the origin and create circle. Select the smart dimension tool. Now dimension the circle and put the value 45 and choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment. Click here. From the features command manager, select the extruded boss base button. Change the orientation of the model, and in the direction 1 the end condition will be blind, and in the distance spinner put the value 8 and choose the OK button. Now change the orientation of the model, select here and choose the sketch button. Again go to the circle drop down and select the circle tool. Click on the origin and create one circle. Go to the smart dimension, click on the circle and dimension it, and here put the value 63 and enter and choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment. Click here, select the extruded boss base button. The boss extrude property manager is displayed, and from the direction 1 rollout the end condition will be blind, and in the distance spinner put the value 12.7 and enter and choose the OK button. Now we will create this part, for which we have to select the plane, and we will select the right plane. Click on the right plane and choose the sketch button. Go to the line drop down and select the center line. Create one center line from the origin. Now go to the circle drop down, select the circle tool, create two circles and choose the OK button. Now select the line tool, click here and create one line. Select the smart dimension tool, click at the center point and here and put the value 25. Click on the inner circle and put the value 19 and choose the OK button. Now select the 3-point arc, click here and at this point click here, choose the OK button. Now choose the trim tool, trim here, choose the OK button. Now go to display and delete relations drop down, select the add relation button. In the selected entities, select this arc and give a relation tangent. Now choose the OK button. Now select the smart dimension tool, click on this point and the center line and put the value 57 and enter. Click on this arc and put the value 38. Click on this arc and put the value 19. Now choose the OK button. Now select the trim entities, trim here, and choose the OK button. Now select the mirror entities, click here. Entities to mirror, select this arc, and this line, and mirror about, select the center line, and choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment, click here. Now select the extruded boss base button, and the boss extrude property manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be mid plane. Change it to mid plane, and in the distance spinner, put the value 14. Change the orientation of the model, and now choose the OK button. Now applying fillet to the model, from the features command manager, select the fillet. The fillet property manager is displayed. In the items to fillet, select all the sharp edges. And in the fillet parameters, here put the value 2.5 and enter, and choose the OK button. Saving the model in a dedicated folder, go to the Save drop down and select the Save As button. Go to Documents and choose the motorcycle project folder, and here name it as Shock Absorber Piston Rod. Now choose the Save button. Now the model is saved in a dedicated folder. Thanks for watching the video.